Want to tell you about our flagship product from the Creator's Nature Blend called the Skin Restoration Serum. You can get it at the bptherbals.com website. Now, I call this our flagship because it was the very first product that the Lord actually impressed us to put together. I shared a little bit of the testimony or how the Lord actually sparked our minds to even do it. My husband and I had just gotten married, and he was impressing us with doing, a product line, and he gave us the name, the Creator's Nature Blend, and we're just thankful. But how did the Skin Restoration Serum come about? One day, all right, he was in the garden, and we were at the ministry, working at a ministry, because we're missionaries. So there was like an acre full of like raised beds, and he came home and was like, "You're not going to believe this." I'm like, "What?" There was a bed up there full of wild purslane, and we had already been researching it for edible purposes because it is known as being the highest in the plant-based kingdom in omega-3 fatty acids. That's right, you don't need fish to get all of the omega-3 fatty acid, but purslane, not only is it amazing, y'all hear all that wind? But not only is it amazing, for medicinal, or for eating and medicinal, but for the skin. Oh my goodness, you're talking about for eczema, for psoriasis, for dark spots, dark blemishes. So let me show you. See? Can you see it? See it? But one of the ingredients, and actually it grows everywhere. And as I told you, I love foraging, okay? And I have a mentor that she's amazing. She's amazing. Love her. So we got together, and she was just teaching me all these things. So once my husband and I got married, y'all, if I fall out, that's one of these nuts that fell from the tree, not me. Anyway, so, all right. So the Lord, when my husband and I got together, he's into farming. So some of the ingredients of some of our products, he actually grows, and then some of them I literally wild forage, and it's just amazing. But back to the Skin Restoration Serum, okay? So one of the key ingredients, of course, is purslane. Another, and I don't mind sharing with you, another key ingredient is, let me see if you can recognize this. You see this? This is the narrow leaf plantain. The narrow leaf plantain. So I combine the narrow leaf with the broadleaf plantain, and just Google it. You will see, I'm telling you, when the Lord impressed us to start a natural herbal product line, every single thing we will detail, and we will Google, we will research. Now, one thing that I want to let you know, when you're starting to research and the first thing you see, especially with AI, and you'll say, "Oh, it's poison, oh, it's bad, da, da, da," dig deeper. I call it villainizing. A lot of natural health, I'm not going to go on that tip, but dig deeper, okay? Trust me, we have researched everything that we put out. And when I tell you it's God ordained, first two ingredients, love and prayer. And then the only other ingredients is the natural plants and whatever the carrier oil or glycerin. Okay, so like this is an oil which you apply topically. So this one, of course, this one has the sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is also amazing for your skin. So one young lady, okay, I talk about her all the time. This young lady, she has lupus, and one of the effects of her lupus, and it affects people different ways, but hers, one of the things is her skin. So when I saw her and we talked, she had all these different brown sloshes and ropes around her neck that wouldn't go away. She had it here, she had on her forehead, and lots of flakes and so forth. In less than 2 weeks, the majority of everything was gone, was clear. She still had what she called a stubborn spot right here. Yoli, love you, girl. Anyway, I would shout her out. But she's beautiful. You should see her skin. Oh, her husband, they're funny. She was like, "No, you cannot use mine." And he was like, "No problem, I'll buy my own." So When I tell you that brother's skin, and we have their testimonials, so you'll get a chance to see them. In fact, I may even put it in this video. Her skin, his skin, both looks amazing. Another, a real good friend of mine, he and his wife, all right, he bought it and was using it, loved it. His daughter, she was having a real bad rash issue, went to the dermatologist, went to doctors, could not do anything. So daddy said, baby, here, try this. So she took the whole bottle, and let me tell you, in less than 2 weeks, again, less than 2 weeks, the girl's rash thing that the doctors, the dermatologists couldn't do anything about, you should see it now. You should see it. Beautiful young lady. And it is amazing. And then another one, she bought the Skin Restoration, and I didn't even know this because this sister, my girlfriend Mika, bought it, and it was new. So we didn't know all that it could do. We knew it was amazing for skin. It was amazing for dark blemishes. But she had a rash, and she showed it to me. She sent me a picture, and I don't even think she bought it for that. But anyway, she put it on her rash. I think it was on her neck, right here. Put it on her neck and sent me a picture. 3 days later, the rash was gone. All right, let me give you a personal experience for me personally. You know how you get that thing under, don't you say age, don't you say it. But you know how it starts getting, what they call it, the chicken neck. I was starting to get that, and I was like, oh, I'm not ready, Lord. I'm not ready for the gray. I'm not ready for the chicken thing. So my husband and I use it every day anyway. You know, we do it in the morning because it's a moisturizer also. So I was putting it on, and then I was rubbing like here, and y'all look. I know, right? But let me tell you, and the pure ingredients, we either wild forage it or my husband grows it. And the only other ingredient is the sweet almond oil, which is the carrier oil. When I tell you this is amazing, God knows what he's doing. Okay, so let me give you the website, bptherbals.com. You got it? BPT, B for bow, P for pear, T for twee. bptherbals.com, home of the Creator's Nature Blend. Okay, you will be amazed. And the first two ingredients are what? Love and prayer. We love you. God bless you.